Once you've got yourself registered in my section, you'll come to the ALEKS homepage and enter your login name and password. If you have unread mail, it will take you to your mailbox. If you click on an email, just like normal, down at the bottom, it's going to open it up where you can read it. Hold on. So you have to scroll down to see where you can actually read it. After you read it, you can click Done, the button down at the bottom. The next place it takes you is to your pie. Now the pie is going to look different depending upon where you are along in the semester. I've been practicing with my student account. I'm all the way up toward Objective 7. And so as you come to the pie, it will look different. There's different slices of pies for the different general topics, and some of the pies won't have anything going on in them. Some of the pies will have these little rows of white lines. See these white dots? Those show slices of the pies you need to work on. When you hover over the slice of the pie, it's going to open up one or more links. The way I do it is I just work my way down the list. As you accomplish this task, later on, different ones will open up. Over here, I've got two things you can do. It doesn't really matter. You can do them in any order. So you're going to go and click on the link, and it will open up a place where you can do some math. Okay, so here I have a job. To evaluate, write your answers as fractions. 2 over 3 cubed equals 2 over 27. Now I can either click on the fraction and then enter my numbers in each part of the fraction, or if your person doesn't really like using the mouse as much as tapping and keyboarding, you can just tab around till you get down to the next box. This answer is 16 over 9, so you can type the 1, 6, the forward slash, and when you type the forward slash it makes a fraction, 9. Then you can tab. See how next doesn't have a box around it? If you tab, eventually it does get a box around it, and then you can press enter. So you don't have to be as dependent upon the mouse as you might think. You hit next, it's either going to tell you you did a good job or not. This message over here is going to tell you whether you did good or not. Practice again. It'll tell you how many more times. Right there, you have to get it right in order to. Then you click this practice button and it opens up another problem for you to do. I did some work when you weren't looking. I did the problem 2 more times. I got it right. Once you get it right 3 times, sometimes just twice, it's going to say very good. You can practice it again. So if you've gotten some help to do this, I would say more practice. So if you're working with a friend who had to help you with these, go ahead and click on more practice until you can do these alone without help. Or if you just think you need more practice. If you think you really have it under your belt and had done well, click on done. So I'm going to click on done, and it's going to take me back to the window with my pie. There was only one job to do in there and I finished it, so the only piece of pie I have left to work on is over here. Product rules of exponents. So you just work your way. Sometimes more topics will pop up in that slice of pie because certain topics are prereqs of other topics, but you just do the problems until you get them all right.